we have addition of polynomials. In this example, we have two binomials. Why? Because every polynomial has only two terms. We have two terms, so they are binomials. We have 7n to 4th power plus 4n squared plus, because we have addition, and the second binomial n cubed minus 5n squared. So this is equal. First we have to take down the parentheses. So we have 7n to 4th power plus 4n squared plus n cubed minus 5n squared, because we have positive sign, so we just copy everything what we have in parentheses. So this is equal. Next step, we have to combine the like terms. So the same variable with the same power. We have only n here, so next we have to check the power. We have n to 4th power, only one term. Next we have n to 3rd power. We always start from the highest power to the lower. So only one term, and we have 4n squared and negative 5n squared. So they are the like terms. The rest we have to rewrite. So this is equal 7n to 4th power. Next we have n to 3rd power, and we have 4n squared minus 5n squared. The same variable with the same power. So we copy the variable with the power, and we have to just add the coefficient. We have 4 plus negative 5. The largest number has negative sign, so we have to keep negative sign, and we have to just subtract 5 minus 4 is 1. So this is equal. We don't have to write the 1. So we have 7n to 4th power plus n cubed minus n squared. This is my solution.